Chapter 2. In this chapter I will show you the first pattern, second step. This is a pattern for longs, so for buying. Basically it is action of gearing and perking. Gearing and perking, I mean like it goes up slowly. Every time it makes a higher low. By higher low I mean like it goes like this: higher low. This is like trend is your friend. In this pattern we use indicator VWAP. I will show you later how to put this indicator in your charts. I don't know if in your platform you have this indicator, but in Thinkorswim you have one, and I will show you the parameters and how to put it in your chart. So let's begin. Pattern second step, the variables of this pattern. First we need a morning move, so the big morning move on the volume that shows that there are some buyers, that the stock is strong and it can go higher. Next second is pullback. We wait for the pullback and maximum to the VWAP. Pullback, not a deep pullback, like maximum 30% of the move. Next it starts to do lower highs. So after the pullback it don't go lower, and it starts to trend higher. We identify a whole number resistance level. Like every time we have to identify the resistance. I will show you it later, like in the graphics, and I have some drawings that I will show you later, and you will understand. So we identify a whole number resistance level, and we will anticipate the breakup. Consolidation can take 30 minutes, can take, and even more. So we will buy earlier, before the breakup. We anticipate it, and the first target is the high of the day, and next is the how long it can go. We don't know. Stop loss is below the prior low. So because this is like a follow trend pattern, stop will be before the prior low. If the low is breakdown, so there is no more trend. So let's I will show you how it looks visually. Morning move. There is some volume, big volume here, unusual volume, not the same volume like the prior days. Speed up compared to prior price action, like we have seen it in the first chapter. Next, after the big morning move, it pullbacks. This is VWAP, blue VWAP. It don't break down VWAP. Maximum pullback to the VWAP, pullback, and starts to make the trend. Trend is pullback, higher low compared to the prior low, again higher low, again higher low. This makes the trend. We identify the resistance. Resistance is here. This will be our first target, and somewhere there. What we will do, we will buy this here because we anticipate the second leg, the second move like this, and the stop loss will be just below this low or this low. It can be also like this. Again, morning move on the big volume. It pullbacks, maximum to the VWAP, consolidates, go to the resistance, and now we can identify, like for example, $10 resistance. This is $10 for example. Goes to VWAP, consolidates, goes to resistance, pull back again, and we can see higher low. This low is higher than this one, so there is some trend. Again, goes higher and starts to make a tiny consolidation just below $10,
and we can expect a break here. We buy it here, we can put our stop there, and we can anticipate the second move like this. It can look like this, like a lot, like again morning move on the volume, pull back to the VWAP, resistance, higher low, higher low, higher low. We buy it here, we put our stop loss below the prior low, and we anticipate the breakup of this level. It can be $5, it can be $4, and we anticipate the second leg like this. Same thing here, morning move on the volume, pull back to the VWAP, maximum to the VWAP, starts to consolidate, starts to do little lower, higher lows, little higher lows, higher lows. We can anticipate that it can move like this, like parabolic. We can anticipate the second leg, and you have to understand that this day must be like the day of this pattern, must be like the more important day, like the pump, the day of the pump, when the volume is unusual. And this pattern you will see on the 1 minute chart and 5 minute chart. You will use two time frames, 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame, not daily chart. So it must be an in play day, so unusual volume, big morning move, consolidates, pull back to the VWAP, consolidates above, starts to show the strong, so higher low, higher low, higher low. We can anticipate the breakup, we buy the stock, and we put our stop loss below the prior low, because if it breaks down our stop, so there is no more trend and stock will go down, price will go down. So now I will show you chart examples.